pussy, they don't like me. They don't like me. They don't like me. I know for them are chat school.
What's good to Mr. Boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction boss. I'm back with another video for you guys. Belize, what's going on? You know, they are back representing for you guys. Right now we have TY or Ty, however y'all pronounce it, because someone commented, oh, the artist's name is not TY. Okay, got you. But like out this video, comment on this video to see your comment in the next video that I post. I'll post every single day. We only can post 3 times for the day, no due to YouTube rules, but yeah. But let's watch something for this song. Recommend some more songs down below in the comment section. You know we get done already. You see your comments? If not, comment on this one to see your comment in the next one. Let's get straight to the reaction. Song called Not Like Me. TY or Ty. Let we go. Say it with me. Run tune. Hold on, pause. Are the unruly popcorn unruly logo that made a spare while ago, right? Like are the unruly. So I'm in unruly camp. Alright, go on. Let's chat things.
Some of them will hang on you. Them a power with people you don't fuck with.
Sure.
Then quick for switch fire. Then type of people them a fuck with.
Wait, partner, Jamaica this?
Don't say that the pussy don't like me. They don't like me. They don't like me. I know for them are chat school.
Jamaica this? No, go on. Hold on. Is this Jamaica?
Them face. No man I eat them off hungry days. Don't say that the pussy don't like me. They don't like me. They don't like me. I know for them are chat screw up them face. No man I eat them off hungry days. Want me that me stay far from them. But the money me a pre me no want problem.
Yeah, if you have money, you don't want a problem. But hold on, I have to go back and look on some of the start of the video. The logo, that Jamaica, the logo I come from, you know. This logo right here, so. This plus the annual sign. Let's play it, yeah. See what Jamaica likes to play this too. I wish part this, yo. Go on.
Chat screw up them face. No man I eat them off hungry days.
Sure.
Want me that me stay far from them. But the money me a pre me no want problem. Them a want see me drop a dealer in a coffin. Cause the girl pa me the car blow like a organ. No trust them me no money me a pre me no want problem. Them a want see me drop a dealer in a coffin. Cause the girl pa me the car blow like a organ.
Oh no. That's the
trust them, me don't laugh with them. Them a stab me in a back, cause that friend kill friend. Them a snake in a grass, me not par with them. Louis V pa me body, so me floss pan. Don't say that the pussy don't like me. Them don't like me. Them don't like me.
Right now, say if anyone snake in the grass, leave a like pan that video. You see me, I say. But guess what? You say if you are a snake in the grass, the line here for you.
Them a snake in a grass, me not par with them. Louis V pa me body, so me floss.
If you are a snake in the grass, the line here for you. But if you are not, like the video. But if you are, the line here for you.
And don't say that the pussy don't like me.
Hear that?
They don't like me.
There's that.
They don't like
that
me.
Too.
I know for them a chat screw up them face.
Yeah.
No man I eat them off hungry days. Don't say that the pussy don't like me. They don't like me. They don't like me. I know for them a chat screw up them face. No man I eat them off hungry days. From far me I come from. John know say me coulda be a gunman. But the house me a pre and the money me a chase. Still a fuck a bag a girl with me singing on me waist. Them get
Say no, say man thing upgrade now. Upgrade now. You see me I say, but a far way I come from, the man say coulda be a gunman. And for most youths out there, where you growing up in life, brother, you did it. But go on.
Stop that plan. Put a chat me a chat to the quicksand. No believe in a man, only in a God grace. Them pussy coulda never take me place. Don't say that the pussy don't like me. Don't like me. Don't like me. Enough of them a chat, screw up them face. No man a eat them off hungry days. Don't say that the pussy don't like me. Don't like me. Don't like me. Enough of them a chat, screw up them face. No man a eat them off hungry days. Want me that me stay far from them, but the money me a pre, me no want problem. Them a want see me drop a jilla in a coffin.
Yeah, pull up. All of that part. Pull up all of that part instead of the song. Put all of that part instead of the song. Open now, listen to the song.
From the days, from far me a come from. John know say me coulda be a good man, but a house me a pre and a money me a chase.
House, the foundation, everything. The man was start bill already. House him a pre, money him a pre, foundation. And that them I like him for because him a pray for uplift himself and them a pray for bring him down. Them want him be a gunman. You see me? And the time you write music like that, I'm telling you, so open to take the advice from the song and try better yourself. But go on.
A bag of girl with me singing on my waist. Them can't stop that plan. But I chat me a chat to the quicksand. I believe in a man, only in a God grace. Them pussy coulda never take me place. Don't say that the pussy don't like me. They don't like me. They don't like me. Enough of them a chat, screw up them face. No man a eat them off hungry days. Don't say that the pussy don't like me. They don't like me. They don't like me. Enough of them a chat, screw up them face. No man a eat them off hungry days. Want me that me stay far from them, but the money me a pre, me no want problem. Them a want see me drop a jilla in a coffin.
Them want see him drop a jilla in a coffin, but guess what? Them have a next story coming. You know why? Because when the music I said so and skyrocket, the man said, John, no storm, should I start parody me no dog. I should not diss him so no. I should have screwed up my face so no. You see me? But it a got too late. It a got too late. Go on.
The car blow like a organ. No trust them, me don't laugh with them. Them a stab me in a back and a friend kill frame. Them a snake in a grass, me no par with them. Louis V pa me body so me floss pan. Don't say that the pussy don't like me. They don't like me. They don't like me. Enough of them a chat, screw up them face. No man a eat them off hungry days. Don't say that the pussy don't like me. They don't like me. They don't like me. Enough of them a chat, screw up them face. No man a eat them off hungry days.
Shit. You was like go look fry. So me know y'all thoughts on this video, guys. You see me and the song itself, the message behind the song. I'm open to take the message and understand what I try to tell them. You see me and say. And if somebody out there don't like it, just go on. Put in the work. Let them hate you even more. Try to build up yourself. Don't make them bring you down. Don't fall to them level. Uplift yourself. It's been a boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction boss. So thanks for checking out my video. You understand? We'll see in another video. We'll have one more to get to. This is the second video for the day. We can post 3 videos a day. So you know that already. Stay tuned. Where we're gonna land on next now. Comment some more videos for me to react to again, as I say before. Comment. Let's wait. Okay? Peace.